Hey gang, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. We're in the shop today. It's Friday. We're just trying to get cars out. Working on a late model Chevy Tahoe. Real nice clean car. When I had it up in the air, there's this coolant stain underneath. What you're looking at is the top of the front differential. You're seeing the top of the stain. And I believe as I pull back, you'll see, all right, that's the driver's side motor mount. Now behind the driver's side motor mount is a freeze out plug. That's the only thing I know that's there. And I've got to believe at one point it was seeping. Well, at 100,000 miles, 12 years old, is it time to do one plug, all the plugs, or no plugs? All right, nice vehicle. It's a clean vehicle, but where do you go and how do you solve it? Well, we're going to go to our old standby K-seal. We don't have an active leak right now, but we've had a leak. We see obviously a history of leaks. So we poured some K-seal into the bottle. By the way, the bottle was not low. All right, it was typical what we would expect during a service interval on an older vehicle. There was really no appreciable loss, or it wasn't down anything of consequence. But we're going to pour some K-seal in and keep an eye on it for the future, because maybe just a bottle of K-seal will save this customer an expensive repair that, well, it's not that it's not hard to justify, but may not be needed at this point in the game. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. You'll find more at kseal.com, and I'll see you on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.